Na ano yung mga tao nga ingon ana, no? Di para nato nga tagbugot. No? Okay, so okay kaayo, and I'm very happy, Lee, when I heard Clito telling us na part of you is kanang Peter leaving the roof of the office because you love DPWH, you love your stay here, and you like your staying here even if napugos ka to hold the road right of way section. But ingon anak ng pagpanabaho man, mapugos ka, but learn to love kung unsay gihatag sa imo, because that will make you survive till the end. So, to all your triumphs, to all your sacrifices, to all your commitment, your contributions given to this office during your stay here, I would like to say thank you so much. Mabuhay ka. And may you continue to be ingon anak kayang 65 mo retire, my God. Pwede pa manguyab. Di ba? Listen kaayo ang road right of Bibia. That's true. We can feel you. Pero naamang yun ta din ha. So we need to survive. Otherwise, di ta ka retire o ing ani ka gwapa. Di ba? And then, trabaho man sab na. Ingon bitaw sila nga, love your job. Kay maunay daghan kitag pressure, di ba, Liv? Daghan kitag pressure, pero walay lamigsan ang kinabuhi kay kung walay pressure. Victory is not great kung walay pressure. Because at the end of the day, if makasurvive mo, you will have or you will hold a face like this, a charm like this. So again, going back to your live, may you'll have a great retirement. May you'll have great days and happy moments and happy years ahead with your travels, taking care of your apo. Gawon-ahon na lagi ni siya travel. And just stay healthy. Pray for a healthy life and for a joyful years ahead. Thank you, everyone. And again, happy birthday and happy retirement. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Marty. Perfectly said. No? Stay healthy and enjoy your life, Ma'am Libby. So, as we near the closing part of this program, let us proceed to the giving of service award. So, to present the service award, may we call on Attorney Mary Therese Izo and Engineer